Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wildin' in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wildin' in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden. I'm in the garden chillin', helping these plants grow. When you get your hand dirty, it's food for your soul. In the element where you can't catch the breeze, while you break a sweat and get some dirt on your knees. In the garden, that way you can't find me. Getting all this knowledge and it don't cost a thing.
Yeah, man, it's a little cool, it's a little cloudy, it might even be a little misty, rainy today, but we don't care nothing about that. We about to go ahead and put this roof on this greenhouse today. You did what I'm saying? Or attempt to, I should say. Hopefully we don't get rained out, but that is the plan. You did what I'm saying? First thing first, though, I'm going to take that saws off. Go ahead and hack off these 4x4s, so then I can take these 8 feet 2x4s and run those rafters like I was talking about before. We got the roofing panels on the back of the truck and all like that, but that don't mean nothing if we don't have all this right first. You did what I'm saying? I know that the greenhouse width is a little bit smaller than 12 feet, and that's what we're gonna work with. You know what I mean? 12 feet. So let's go ahead and get to it, make it do what it does, because we got to move expeditiously so we can beat this rain and we can get everywhere, basically get this roof on here today. You did what I'm saying? Because then that'll go ahead and amp this thing up to another level, and we can go ahead and finish everything off so we can get some dirt babies off in here and start putting some seeds in the ground for this springtime. Get it?
In every aspect of my life, I'm trying to elevate, so I'm trying to get better and better with each and every day. In every aspect of my life, I'm trying to elevate, so I'm trying to get better and better with each and every day. Where this life will take me, only the Lord knows, but I'ma keep going like limits. What are those? Staying focused, gotta keep the car on the road, cause there's a slim chance you win if you lose control. Life come with ups and downs with plenty twists and turns, but every day there's multiple lessons for us.
Yeah, man. Just chop the top off all old 4x4s. So now that side is ready to go. You did what I'm saying? But before we can start laying those rafters in, y'all remember I didn't put those end caps. So what I need to go ahead and do now is measure that, put them end caps on so everything can be sturdy and braced up nice and right before we start putting those rafters on and start putting on the roof, because when it's up there, it's up there. Yeah!
I'm getting better in every aspect of my life. I'm trying to elevate, so I'm trying to get better and better with each and every day. In every aspect of my life, I'm trying to elevate, so I'm trying to get better and better with each and every day.
You get to it. Yes, sir. You know I can't play. Gotta make it happen. Yes, sir.
I'm doing on the mother church. I'm doing the basement playground.
Yeah.
And they got me sprung out.
So you say got you going.
I got a stabilize the rafters in the basement.
Uh-huh.
All that thing got me doing.
Man, I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm sure enough finna try to put it together. You know what I'm saying? Sure enough finna try to put it together. Definitely sure. Okay. Some of this thing it look all the way good. Some of it I'm like, okay.
Map it out.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Now they give me their money to enhance their garden. I'm growing to get that money, I'm running, cause in this life you gotta have it. That's why I love what I do, teaching you how to grow your salad. Life is so beautiful when you get knowledge and then you can share it. When you eat the right food to help your body from getting damaged. The earth is our planet, but we treat it as salad. Now we stuck in this crisis, and we gotta change swiftly. If we don't change quick, then we will resist.
Alright, now we got the end caps in place. Now it's time to start working on these rafters. You dig? So now it's time to go ahead and get to these rafters. And as y'all heard me just told Bishop, I really don't know what I'm doing. I ain't never did this before a day in my life. But it's all to the good because I'm going to make the placking happen and make it do what it do. You did what I'm talking about? So what I got to do now is take these 2x4s right here, run them things up there, you know what I'm saying, to the top point and to this bottom point right here. Then I got to get on the ladder and basically trace out, you know what I'm saying, what I see. And then I'm going to have to cut it out and try to like scribe it into the board so then it can sit down and rest flush and flat on that 2x4 up there that's laying flat and this 2x4 right here, or these 4x4s, depending on where these 2x4s are going to lay. So we got 6 of them. We got to make it do what it does, but we got to do them individually because, as you know, nothing on this greenhouse is symmetrical. For real, you did what I'm saying, because everything is different, you know what I mean? We use a lot of reclaimed materials, so we basically got to make it happen step by step. It ain't no blueprint to it, we just got to do it. So, about to hop on this ladder, make it do what it does, and see if we can get it right the first go round. Now, before I jump onto this ladder and start messing with these rafters, go ahead and smash down on that subscribe button and tell a friend to smash down on that subscribe button too.
We growing with knowledge to get to that money. Now they give us that money to install their gardens. I'm growing and getting there. I'm growing there. I'm growing with knowledge.
Change of plans. I just figured this out. I ain't finna make this thing more complicated than it need to be. It's a greenhouse. We need the roof on there. We needed to have a slope so the water won't get stagnant on top, and it need to be see-through. So, light bulb went off when I was up there. Just lay the 2x4s flat and screw them in, my dog. It'll work. So, that's what we about to do. Flatten out the 2x4s and running all up through that thing. Get it?
Like crazy, even though we in the city. Outdoor fresh. Yeah, so we gotta get to you super fresh. While we out in nature spreading all the knowledge. Fresh to death in the outdoors, planting hard. We in the city, living like some country boys. Making money, growing.
Yeah, man. So after doing some quick measurements, I saw that I was one board short of being able to complete my mission on the roof. So that's what we just did. We just went ahead and cut one of those 16-foot 2x4s in half to give me an 8-foot one so we can shoot that thing up there on the roof and make our other rafters. Now it's time to go ahead and shoot the last 4 up there. I think it is 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe 5. Well, however many it is, we about to go ahead and shoot them up there so we can then put our 1x4 at the top that's going to be wide enough for the whole roofing system. And then we're going to see what we got to work with after that. Get it?
Outdoor fresh. Yeah, so we gotta get to you super fresh. While we out in nature spreading all the knowledge. I wanna go outside.
Yeah, man, you see it. We got them rafters off in that thing. We're trying to be all fancy and all that type of stuff earlier, but man, this straight Westside. You did what I'm saying? We got it up there, and it's right and it's sturdy. So now we're about to go ahead and put that 1x4 at the very tip up there. You did what I'm saying? That's gonna help us with our slope, but at the same time too, that 1x4 is 12 feet wide, and that's approximately the same width that our roofing panels will be. See, our greenhouse isn't 12 feet wide. It's a little bit shorter than that. That's how you can see where, you know, some of the rafters and things ain't all the way 100, but they up there. You know what I mean? That's all we care about, is making sure it's up there, it's sturdy, and we're gonna have them things ready to rock and roll so we can put that roofing up there. Get it?
that cow, make that goat have a kid, make that goat have a kid, cause that's more money you'll get, cause that's more money you'll get when you're in this farming biz, when you're in this farming biz. Make the cow have that cow, make the cow have that cow, make that goat have a kid, make that goat have a kid, cause that's more money you'll get, cause that's more money you'll get when you're in this farming biz, when you're in this farming biz.
Yeah, man, y'all see it. Got that 1x4 up there. That thing is wide enough for all of our roofing panels to basically be on there evenly, but at the same time, too, it's going to give us that extra little bit of sturdiness and support. I hope you did what I'm saying. So this is the part that's about to get, well, what Cujo told me, a little fun, which means a little tricky. You did what I'm saying. So we got to take these 8 foot by, I think they like 26 inches wide, and basically take that roofing panel and put them up top. You did what I'm saying? Make sure that they good to go. So that's why I use the 8 foot 2x4, so I know we should be good if we're going end to end, and it should be even. You did what I'm saying? So yeah, man, about to go ahead, hop into it real quick. But before we jump onto this last task, y'all know I love tea time, so we gonna go ahead and get that popping. You did what I'm saying? So that can be on the chill while we up there on that ladder trying to put that roof up here. You did.
Fruits and veggies, bro. Tomatoes all in this thing. So many different type of fruit trees. Got beans and more beans. Cause I'm teaching you sustainability. If you pay attention, you'll learn something. Cause I know how to keep them plants busting. Homestead and not truly.
We just barely got the roof on there. Now it's starting to rain in this thing a little bit. So let me go ahead, clean up, you know what I'm saying? Get y'all on the inside of the truck. And then I guess we'll do tea time in the truck this time. You did? It's tea time. Yeah, man. We just made it happen in this thing, you know what I'm saying? Wasn't playing no games today, rain or no rain. I was on a mission, you know what I'm saying? I said I'm going to put this roof up, you know what I'm saying, and see what I'm working with. Like I said, I ain't never did this before, but I'm loving the process, you did what I'm saying? I'm learning more and more every day, not only about building, but about myself, as well as just some of the things that I feel that we should know in sustainability and survival. So, yeah, man. That's a beautiful thing. Cheers to that. And make sure it ain't too hot. Oh, yeah. That good to go right there. You know what I'm saying? That's that I love lemon. You dig what I'm saying? And y'all see it. Like I said, it just started raining real quick. As I pretty much was putting that last roofing panel up. You did. And then after that, it just started coming down. But it's all good. My only concern is I hope that we don't get like a crazy storm where it's blowing crazy and the wind is going every which way like that, because I only screwed in the panels at the top part where I put those 1x4, where that 1x4 in. Reason being is because when I was up there, I was seeing the lag and I was seeing that I needed to put more bracing in, so I didn't want to go ahead and finish it off, because now I can I can go and get another piece, or maybe even 2 pieces of 1x4, slide those underneath there, and then just go ahead and use those as some bracing points to keep that lag out of that roofing. You dig what I'm saying? But all in all, I am satisfied. You dig what I'm saying? It's been a beautiful, beautiful process, and we making it happen. You did. So I cheers to that. Now, let's get into some other business. Like I've been telling y'all, I got that streaming platforms for that music that you hear in the background, and it's going in. You did what I'm saying? Go ahead and go to Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, or YouTube, you know what I'm saying? And check these tracks out, you know what I mean? Download them and listen to them, you feel me? So your boy can get on up through there, and we can do some more things around here at the Outdoor Fresh Farm and this knowledge that we trying to bring to you. You did what I'm saying? Also, Harvest Harmonics. I thought I was going to have enough time to get out there with the Harvest Harmonics and, like I say, put in that first application with that transmitter, but the weather has not been on our side, and at the same time, too, we just got to bear through it and make it do what it does. You did what I'm saying? Y'all know right now, too, at the farm, we got a lot of stuff very well. You know what I mean? And it's about to start getting in season for volunteer days, events, and things like that. So I also got to make sure I clean this bad mamma jamma up, while at the same time too completing these tasks, so we can then basically have it open to the public, and it'll be a safe environment that's placking and got dopalicious all around it. You dig what I'm saying? From the greenhouse to the shed to even our restroom facilities that I envision on building. So yeah, man, we got a lot to do in a very short window, but we're going to make it happen. You dig what I'm saying? Can't play no games in this thing, because if you don't know, you should know. This is all that Lelo does. You know what I'm saying? For real, farming, education, and teaching people about sustainability and getting back with nature. That is my mission. You dig what I'm saying? And I'm just thankful to have a platform such as Outdoor Fresh Farm, social media, and YouTube to try to bring the knowledge to you guys, and then at the same time too show you the process that I'm going through as I'm building and trying to make it happen. You dig what I'm saying? But y'all already know what it is. You know what I mean? We gotta also make things aesthetically pleasing. So that will also be a part of the whoop whoop that you're going to learn when you come holler at your boy. You did what I'm saying? Because just because, you know, we living in an urban environment, but we trying to do some quote unquote suburban and country things, hey, don't mean that it can't look off the chain and be placking and aesthetically pleasing and looking like luxury at the same time too. So yeah, man. Just gave you a mouthful. Make sure you also go to that Amazon shop. Check it out. You know what I'm saying? Have all the different items from my watch to my pot, you feel me, to my cooking utensils and the other tools that I use. Look, even hanging up right here in the truck, I got the compass, and I got that off of Amazon too. You hear me? So go ahead, tap in with your boy, see what's going on. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend to like, share, subscribe. And then make sure you go over there to the social media and follow me at Lelo_Jones and at Outdoor Fresh Farm, so you can stay up to date with everything that's going on in the mix of the week and all like that in between the videos that you see on the weekend. You did what I'm saying? So y'all be easy. I'm about to go ahead and get up out this rain, get some food off in me belly, and then start doing some other work so I can figure out more ways that we can grow this thing in a short time span. You dig? Peace.
Oh my God, they dropping like a pogo. Ask them who their favorite farmer is, they scream Lelo. Shot all net like Kobe from the free throw. It's a must that I let my light shine everywhere that I go. I keep them crops